Hi, Namaste, and a very warm welcome to the channel. So here we are going to solve some of the question of part A of CSF 2021. So here is our question. You can see among the children of a family, each boy has as many as brother as sister. If there is a boy, he has. If suppose he has n number of brother, then he will also have n number of sister. It is the first statement it's saying. The second one is each girl. Each girl, if there is a girl, has twice as many as brother as sister. Brother is twice. There will be two in two in it is given that it has twice as many as brother as sister. If there is one sister, one sister, then twice brother. Okay, two in bro. If there is n sister. Okay, so this is the condition. If we'll go through this option, the option 3 will be correct. How? You can see 4 boy, there will be one boy, and the rest 3 will be his brother, and another way 3 girl left. Okay, 3 sister. Option 1 satisfied. Let's see for option 2. There is 3 girl. Suppose assuming one girl, she has suppose n sister, one girl left, so there will be 2 girl as sister and 4 boys as brother. So this is 2n. If this is n, then this is 2. If n is equal to 2, then 4 is equal to 2n. So t 2n number of brother. So in this way, this option will be satisfied. Next question is a very interesting question. It's from the probability. Okay, so it's given that the probability of a team A win a match against B is 2 by 3. So A win is equal to 2 by 3. Then A and B play 4 match. There will be 4 match. Okay. What is the probability that team A will win at least one match? So it's asking that what is the probability A will win at least at least one match. Okay, so we can solve it in this way. A win is equal to 2 by 3. So A will not win. A will not win. That will be 1 minus 2 by 3. So that will be 1 by 3. Okay, there is 4 match. There is 4 match. So if we will calculate A will not win for 4 match, then it will be 1 by 3 for first match, then 1 by 3 for second match, like this way 4 match. So sorry, okay, this will be 1 by 81. Okay, so 1 by 81 is the probability A will not win a single match. It's asking that A win at least one match. At least one match means it can win one, two, or three, or four. At least one means there can be at least one. Means there can be two, there can be three, and four. So A will win the match. Maybe one, two, three, four. It will be 1 minus 1 by 81. So simply you can answer it like this way: 81 minus 1, that will be 80 upon 81. So your answer will be this. Next question is your, okay, this is also a very simple question they have asked. It's given that the bubble plot, this bubble plot shown an effect of temperature and precipitation on the annual growth of the certain trees species, certain tree species. These bubbles are represent certain tree species growth. Okay, the area of the bubble is directly proportional to tree growth. Means area of the bubble is directly proportional to tree growth. Tree growth, that means the more the size of the bubble, the tree growth will be more. And you can see here a means a is directly proportional to tree growth. Okay, you can see here, with the temperature the bubble size increases, so that will be directly proportional to temperature. And with the precipitation you can see the bubble size decreases, so it will be inversely proportional to precipitation. Okay, so we got the conclusion from here. So we have to check for the sentence now. Option 1 given is directly proportional to both precipitation and temperature. This option is wrong because directly proportional to temperature, but precipitation it is inversely proportional. If you go through the third number option, you can simply see inversely proportional to the precipitation. You can see here inversely proportional to the precipitation and directly proportional to temperature. So the option 3 will be correct answer. So thank you for watching. If it is anyway helpful, then keep supporting. Stay safe and keep learning.